In this video, we are going to learn how to set up and run WordPress on local computer using XAMPP. Now, first thing first, open your browser and go to https://www.apachefriends.org/index.html. Now from this page, choose your operating system and download XAMPP. Click Start to download XAMPP installer. Wait for the download to complete. Now click Open. The installer shows a warning pop-up. The warning says, because an activated user account control on your system, some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted. With UAC, please avoid to install XAMPP to C:/program files or deactivate UAC with msconfig after this setup. Basically, this warning tells us not to install XAMPP on default installation location, that is C drive. Now click OK. Click Next. Again Next. Now from here we need to change the installation directory. Now click local disk F. Now here create a new folder. Name it as XAMPP and select the folder. Click Next. Next. Uncheck this mark and click Next. Next. Now wait to finish the installation. Installation process will take some time. Please be patient. Now click finish. Now double click control panel icon, or control panel will be automatically open for the first time. Now from here you can start the Apache and MySQL. Click start and start. Apache and MySQL service will be started. Now from your browser go to https://wordpress.org/download/. From here download the latest version of WordPress. Click download WordPress 5.8.1. Start download. Now go to your download directory. Select this WordPress zip archive and extract to WordPress 5.8.1. Now open the unzip folder and select all the files here and copy. Now you need to go to location where you have installed XAMPP previously. Now open this folder htdocs. This folder is where all the website project will be inside the htdocs folder. Create a new folder and name it as your project. I will name it as WP project. Open the folder and paste all the core file of WordPress here. Now go to your browser and head over to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Localhost/phpMyAdmin. Enter. For our new website project, we need to create a new database. So click here, new. Name your database. I will name it as same as WP project. and click create. The database is now created. Now go to localhost /wp project. Localhost /wp project. This WP project is the name of the folder where all the WordPress core files are living. Select your language. Generally it's English selected. Click continue. Now the WordPress will ask you before installing WordPress, keep these things ready. We have already set up our database and database name is WP-project. Remember this name, WP-project. It's our database name. Now click let's go. Now it is asking for us to give the database name WP project. Database name is WP project. Now on the local machine, when you set up WordPress, the username is root and the password field will be blank, so delete this, and the database host is localhost and table prefix is WP _. Now click submit. Now click run the installation. Now give your site a title. My first website. Now username I will put admin and in the password field I will use password. Now confirm the use of weak password, and here you need to provide your email admin@localhost.com. It is best practice to keep this email original. Now click install WordPress. We have successfully set up WordPress on our local machine. Now click login. Username we given is admin and password is password. You can check this remember me, so you don't need to log in again and again. So click login. Now from this dashboard we can start customizing our website. This is how our first website looks.